الله وبركاته. Math grade 10 algebra 2. We are in model 1, lesson 4, sketching graphs and comparing functions. We have today extra practice about this lesson. Listen please to exercise number 1. As you see here in the exercise number 1, we have x-intercept 3, 0. So we can draw the x-axis, then y-axis. Then in the x-axis represent 3, 0. This is 3, 0 here. And as you see here, we have y-intercept 0, 3. So go to the y-axis and represent 0, 3. Then you can match between them. You will get the function, the linear. Con 20, yes, it's continuous because no gaps between the points. So this is the graph. You can check your solution. If you have wrong, please draw the right one. For number 2, as you see here, x-intercept 0, 0. This is 0, 0. And y-intercept 0, 0. And we have linear. Hello, we can draw the linear from this side or from this side. But here we have continuous, yes, but here the value x greater than 0. X greater than 0 means from this quarter. So the line will be passed through the origin from this quarter. Increasing for all values of x and end behavior. X approach to the infinity if x approach to the infinity, and when x approach to the negative infinity if x approach to the negative infinity. Done? Right. For number 3, the same idea. We can represent negative 1, 0 and 0, negative 2. Then match between them, you can get the function. And for number 4, the same idea. We have 0, 0 and 0, 0. اللي حال الخطأ يصلح بنتي. حال الخطأ هاي الدروس مهمة للإنسات. اللي مو كاتب الواجب يكتب معنا. Done. صلحنا رقم 1 و2. انتقل يعني لرقم 3. طيب اذا رقم 3 رقم 4 قلنا نفس المبدأ. We have x-intercept 0, 0, y-intercept 0, 0. اللينيرتي linear. الكونتينيوتي continuous. بس why you draw the linear from this side, not from this side? As you see here, the positive for value x less than 0 from this side. So draw the linear from the second quarter, And the continuity continues because no gaps, as you see. You can write 3 and 4. Done. تمام. طيب. Number 5. We have here x-intercept -2, 0 here, and 0, -4 here. Match between them, you will get the function. And here we have -2, 0. This is -2, 0 here, and 0, 8 will be here. Match between them. And as you see here, we have non-linear. And the continuity continues because no gap between them, and x greater than -2, the positive will be the values of x greater than -2. And from this side we have increase, and increasing for all value of x, increasing. The continuity continues because no gaps. And behavior when x approach to the infinity, fx also approach to the infinity, and when x approach to the infinity will be fx also approach to the negative infinity, as you see here. Done. تمام. هلا number 7 and 8 the same idea. as you see 7 here, we have x-intercept 0, 0, y-intercept 0, 0, but we have non-linear. And here we have the y-axis will be, this is the symmetry, and negative for all values of x, increasing for all values of x when x less than 0. And we have x term here, we have maximum 0, 0. 8, the same idea, but we don't have x-intercept. We don't have x-intercept, none, as you see. The intercept just in the y, in this point. Here we have minimum, and here we have line symmetry. Done? Done? Okay, number 9, number 10, the same idea. Number 11, number 13. In this question, we want to compare between two functions. Compare the k features of the functions represent with a graph and table. So as you see here, we have a graph, and this is the function fx. We have here x-intercept and here y-intercept. In the x-intercept, 0.5, 0. This is x-intercept. And here y-intercept will be 0 minus. So compare now. Here we have x-intercept. And here we have y-intercept. Why here x-intercept? Because the value of y is 0. Why here y-intercept? Because the value of x 0. Now compare. As you see here, x-intercept 0.5, here negative 1. Which greater, 0.5 or negative 1? 0.5? Yes, correct. But we have here the same y-axis. We have the same y-axis. Okay, Shema, you can. So the functions have the same y-intercept of negative 1, and the function fx has an x-intercept of 0.5, and gx has an x-intercept of negative 1. So fx has the greater x-intercept, and fx is increasing. As you see, fx increasing. But gx, as you see, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, 0, means decreasing. Decreasing. So the function fx has a slope of 2, and x has a slope of negative 1. Who can tell us why the function fx has a slope 2? Who can tell us why the value of slope here will be 2? Did you, or do you know? Did you remember this rule? M equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Did you remember this rule? We have 2 points here, as you see, 0.50 and 0 minus 1. Right, you can substitute. This is y2, this is y1. So 0 minus 1. And this is x2. And this is x1. So minus positive. 0 plus 1 means 1. And here 0.5 minus 0 will be 0.5. 1 over 0.5 equal what? Equal 2. So the value of slope will be 2. And here use the same rule, you will get the slope will be negative 1. Which is slope greater, 2 or negative 1? 2 greater than negative 1. So that means the fx is increasing at a faster rate than gx is decreasing. Okay. This is important question. هذا السؤال مهم للإمساك. كتبت لي السؤال؟ شو السؤال؟ بس ترجع. لسه في سؤال. تكتبوا ليش انتوا؟ كويس ممتاز عم تكتبوا. هذول مهمين للامسات هذول. يلا سؤال بيان سؤال خلص. طيب. Number 14, the same idea. Number 15, number 16. Number 17, I will solve number 17. As you see, we have table and we have information. We don't have a graph. We don't have a graph. As you see, x-intercept. And here in the table, where is the x-intercept? This is x-intercept. Because the value of y is 0. And here y-intercept. And here in the table, where is the y-intercept? Here y-intercept. Because the value of x0. And here also we have x-intercept. We have 2 points. So means this is the not linear. As you see here, we have a relative maximum 0.3, and we have 2 relative minimum, or one relative minimum. And this is the end behavior. Right. Compare now between x-axis, x-intercept and y-intercept. If x has 2 x-intercept, this and this, where gx only has 1 x-intercept, just this. The function if x has y-intercepts of 4 here, greater than the relative max of gx, as you see here, 3. So if x has a greater y-intercept, the relative max of x is greater than the relative max of gx, and if x has 2 relative minimum, if x has 2 relative minimum, one at -2, 0, this, and another will be 1, 0. Both are less than the relative minimum of gx. As you see, the relative minimum of gx, this and this, compare, will be less than. And gx, the end behavior of the 2 functions is different. Here, as you see, when x approaches to the negative infinity, x approaches to the negative infinity. And when the x approaches to the infinity, gx approaches to the infinity. Here we have 4, 0, 2, 4, 0. So x approaches to the negative infinity if x approaches to the infinity. -3, 4. -2, 0. -1 will be 2. Negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. And here positive, 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 positive. So when x approaches to the infinity, if x approaches to the negative infinity. Okay? Do you have any question about these exercises? No questions? Number 18, the same idea. And this is our period for today. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you inshallah tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.